What's up, everyone? Welcome to 3 Minute Crypto. This is Mike with BTC and Crypto.com, and these are the top crypto news stories for the day. Boom. Okay, so big news for the day, the week, the month, the year, the century is the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Sources tell Fox Business that recent guidance from SEC on spot Bitcoin ETFs is a green light for approval by January 10th. Everyone and their mothers is reporting this. So January 10th, before or on, that's when all the spot ETFs will be approved. This is huge. Right here, boom. So Grayscale meets SEC again, and CEO urges Commission to approve all Bitcoin ETFs simultaneously to avoid any first mover advantage. Huge. So can you imagine on January 10th, all spot Bitcoin ETFs being approved at one time? Do you have any idea what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? If you are not in Bitcoin, if you are not in crypto, you are out of your gourd. Just what are you doing? Literally, someone's handing you the winning freaking numbers to the lottery, and you're just sitting there and you're like, nah, I'm not going to play. And Hong Kong getting in the act. Check this out. Hong Kong Securities Commission says it's ready to accept spot Bitcoin ETF applications. What are you waiting for? BTC and Crypto.com. If you do not know how to buy crypto, if you do not know how to buy Bitcoin, hit me up, BTC and Crypto.com. Boom. Just in confirms it met, the SEC confirms it met with multiple Bitcoin ETF issuers yesterday, including BlackRock, Valkyrie, ARK, etc. And all of those are going to be approved at one time. Boom. And if you do not have a plan for buying and selling, key part of that, selling your crypto and Bitcoin, boom, right here, okay? This, I mean, every single chart that you look at is you buy below the 2-year moving average, you sell when you do the 5X line above the 2-year moving average. So it's simple. Boom. It goes on a pattern, 4-year pattern. And the most important part is right there. So November 2025, that's when you got a plus 21 day from November 28th, and that's when you sell it all. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, just my opinion. Do what you want, but that's what I'm doing. So if you don't know, I've talked about this a gazillion times. So the green zone is the buy zone, okay? That's the 2-year moving average, that line, that green line, that's where you buy. And when it gets to the red or above the red, that's when you sell. And that typically hits November 2025, or November, but every 4 years. So this time, it will be all-time high, November 2025. Okay, and these are nice little cheat sheets. So if you're looking to see what crypto is getting action, you just look right here, the top 30 trending cryptos. And again, there's millions of ways to do this. And of course, you would learn all this if you join BTC and crypto. But so this one is, there's a couple in here that are looking quite nice. So anything under, 50 million, 100 million, that's what you want to look for. And so you can see Bonk, they were on this list, months ago. So yeah, this is definitely a nice little cheat sheet. And the man, the myth, the legend, Michael Saylor thinks Bitcoin will hit 350,000 in 2024. Why is that important? 2024, not 2025, not the after the halving when we hit our all-time high. No, he's saying 350 in 2024. So we have another year of up after that. So I mean, let's hope he's right and we go to 1 million this cycle. But yeah, who knows? But that'd be awesome. And check out the market right now. We're at 1.66 trillion. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 75. And the market dominance for Bitcoin is 51. And for Ethereum, it's 16. Oh. That's what the market looks like right now. BTC, ETH, Solana. So Solana has absolutely just been crushing it. Look at that. It's at 4. This was literally 4 weeks ago, was sitting at like 30 bucks Solana. Just absolutely crushing it. Like maybe 20, 30 bucks 4 weeks ago. Yeah, absolutely just crushing it. If you don't understand why this is so huge, right here, Bitcoin ETFs could attract up to 24 billion after approval. That is low. You have trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars that are sitting there that could funnel into to Bitcoin. So yeah, I would say that number is low. Yeah, so yeah, that's low. And actually, ordinals has been going crazy. If you don't know what ordinals are, they're NFTs on Bitcoin. But looks like some punks have been selling. Been seeing a few punks selling for some really good prices. So looks like some money's flowing back into NFTs, which is great. And so there's actually 13 Bitcoin ETF applications that await the SEC approval. Now keep in mind, after the Bitcoin ETFs get approved, guess what? Then you got Ethereum, and then guess what? Then you got Solana. And then guess what? And guess what? And guess what? So yeah, this is just a start. Once that door gets open and it's on like Donkey Kong. Boom, right there. That's what I was talking about. 9 trillion BlackRock, okay? So what about the other 12, right? How much money do they have? Trillions and trillions and trillions. So yeah. So Argentina, just getting into the game. So you can actually settle in Bitcoin now in Argentina. So that is big. Argentina is going to become a full bore. Okay, so the banking industry needs to remove their heads from their rectum because it's not like Bitcoin and crypto is going anywhere. The U.S. banking industry needs to get on board ASAP and start holding Bitcoin and crypto and be a part of the solution, not a part of the problem. Hello. And this is absolutely insane. Bitcoin's blockchain exceeds 500 gigabit size. Wow, that's huge. Yeah, right here. Solana flips XRP to become the 4th largest. That is crazy. And of course, everyone wants Bitcoin to hit 50K before 2024. That would be phenomenal. And the hash rate for Bitcoin has been going completely cuckoo. It's the ordinals. So you have all these NFT transactions going on the blockchain, and that's what's causing this crazy spike. And those guys are making tons of money. And good old Elon, this guy is going to rule the world like he doesn't already. Ex-owner Elon Musk says he expects to launch payment services on his Everything app in mid-2024. Literally, people will be able to pay for everything everywhere. Crazy. So this is massive. Coinbase wins license to operate Bitcoin and crypto exchange in France. But the thing that you don't know maybe about Coinbase is all that Bitcoin with all those ETFs, guess who's holding it? Coinbase. They are the custody manager of all the Bitcoin for every single ETF. That is crazy. And on top of all that yummy goodness, check this out. So Bitcoin about to make golden cross on the weekly chart. Can I get a yay, yay? Look at that, 14 to 17, right? Look at how similar it is to 23, 24. Moonshot. So we want that to just go to the stratosphere just like that did. Check that out. That's what we want. And right here, because if you don't understand this, this is what can happen now. So the spot Bitcoin ETFs can quickly reach your 401k retirement plan. So all these massive Fortune 500 companies can jump into the Bitcoin ETFs. That is huge. I talked about this last week. Just a reiteration, El Salvador has officially passed a law granting citizenship in exchange for Bitcoin. So check this out. So everyone's thinking all on the 5th, right? Well, this just came out. An open window for all 12 spot Bitcoin ETF approvals begin on January 5th and will continue until January 10th. This is most likely the scenario approval at this time. So, yeah, I mean, once one goes, it's going to be dominoes. So either it's all going to be exact same time or within, the 5th to the 10th. And I just talked about Solana. Check this out. So the New York Department of Financial Services approved Paxos expansion to the Solana blockchain. Boom. And I'd like to see more of that Santa rally. Let's go Bitcoin. Okay, everyone, those were the top crypto news stories for the day. Come check me out at btcandcrypto.com, and I'll talk to you soon. Boom.